Next up, we're in New South Wales.
I'm here in Terranora, North New South Wales, to visit a stunning coastal property. Not only does it look beautiful, but it's also carbon positive. Join me as we take a closer look. Luana and Jared, thank you so much for inviting me to your beautiful home. I have to say the views are absolutely stunning.
There is a story here. My great aunt moved to Terranora in the 50s. And so both my mum and I have had the privilege of coming up here for a long time, and it's a magical place. We really fell in love with it, and we're really, really, fortunate to be able to live here and build a really beautiful home here. It didn't look like this when we bought it, so this is a really major renovation. It was a big, solid, double brick, yellow block. We used to, for fun, call it the cheese block, and we've, turned it into what I'm calling a beautiful coastal farmhouse.
I love the fact you've actually got floor-to-ceiling glass throughout the home, which is amazing. And these views are absolutely stunning, but I love your material choices too.
I wanted something, quite timeless and classic. So I've got lovely oak, wide boards on the floor. We wanted a really lovely stone, which we've used through the whole house. So you'll see it in the bathrooms and some stone downstairs as well. Another feature that we love is the VJ. We've used some VJ here in the ceilings, giving it that lovely coastal feel, but quite classic and timeless as well.
It really is beautiful, stylish, stunning, sophisticated, but so much history, so much warmth to your home as well. I particularly love your kitchen, and I love your oven. Can you tell me about that?
Oh, look, I do love to cook, and I love to entertain. So you can see it's a really big space here. Big kitchen space, needed a really big oven. So there's actually 3 ovens to cook in there, and then a nice 7-burner cooktop. So you can actually you could do a Christmas easily for 12. It's spacious, everybody can be in here when I'm cooking as well, and it really has just become the hub of the home.
It really is an entertainer's kitchen lounge, because I can really see people, as you said earlier, you could be cooking, you've got stunning views. Jared, no doubt, is going to crack into that cocktail cabinet behind us, entertain the guests around your dinner table or in the lounge. It connects so beautifully. I love the TV you have, Jared. I'm assuming that was your, we have to have a big TV?
Oh, there's a few things we have to have. We have to have the big TV, we have to have the bar, that's an absolute must. You'll see downstairs there's a big barbecue and entertaining area. Outside the pool, the whole idea is when we get friends and family here, we want them to relax. It's a big home, but we want it to feel comfortable and cosy for them as well.
I am aware that you had solar power on this home when you first purchased it. You obviously did pretty much a rebuild as opposed to renovation. You added another solar system, and then we had a cyclone hit. Can you talk me through what happened?
We built the house, we actually put in what we thought was an off-grid battery system, and then the cyclone hit. But what we found is that the battery system downstairs wasn't off-grid capable. So as soon as we lost power, we thought that would kick in, and it didn't.
So we chose the Anker SOLIX X1 hybrid 3-phase with a 20 kilowatt battery system because of the high energy demands of the house. The Anker SOLIX X1 can withstand extreme weather conditions. It can perform very well from minus 20 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius. We know that in Australia it doesn't get that cold anytime, but it does get really hot, especially in summertime. The system will power the house during the day, but at night or during a rainy or cloudy day, it will kick in and start powering the house from the battery. We know that Australia was hit by a cyclone recently. The backup power comes really handy in these situations. You are protected, you are reducing your energy bills, which don't seem to stop increasing, and you're being more sustainable.
Well, it's incredibly inspiring what you've done on this property. It looks magnificent, it's carbon positive, it's sustainable. You've done an incredible job. Thank you so much for showing me around today. I've had an amazing time.